How to get streaks on TikTok. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that our app is updated to its latest version. To do that, we'll have to open our Google Play Store or Apple Store. In here, we'll have to search for TikTok. After that, simply open this one. And then in here, if you see this option says update, simply tap on the update option. Once the app is updated, simply tap on the open option. So in here, the first thing that we need to do is to tap on this inbox option and then look for your own streaks. If you don't see it here, what you need to do is to simply enable that. To do that, open your profile, simply tap on this profile option. In here, we'll have to tap on these three lines. After that, on the pop-up menu, tap on the settings and privacy option. In here, we'll have to scroll down and look for this option contents and display. Under that, tap on these notifications. In here, we'll have to scroll down again, and then after that, you will now see this option streaks. All we need to do is to enable this one. After that, we'll just have to go back on our inbox and then simply refresh our inbox. So that's how easy we can get streaks on TikTok. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.